Hello everyone, today we are going to start with a new topic, that is embryology and the anatomy of the inner ear. So first of all, let's understand that the inner ear consists of a membranous labyrinth surrounded by a bony labyrinth. Okay, as we can see in this diagram, this one is the outermost part, it is the bony labyrinth, and this one is the innermost, it is the membranous labyrinth. And inside the membranous labyrinth, there is the endolymph, and surrounding the bony labyrinth, there is the perilymph. Okay. Now, as we can see that the membranous part of the inner ear, it is also called as the membranous labyrinth, okay, which develops from an area of surface ectoderm. Okay. Now, if we see that, first of all, let's see the development of it. So it develops from the otic placode, okay, as you see in this diagram, and then after it, that is, this becomes the otic pit and then the otic vesicle. Okay, guys. So the membranous labyrinth, it is like a balloon. Okay. Now, first, what does the what does it contains? Okay, membranous labyrinth. So as we can see in this diagram, there are three semicircular canals. One is lateral semicircular canal, one is superior or anterior super semicircular canal, and one is the posterior semicircular canal. And below to it there is the utricle, and below to it there will be saccule. Okay, and after that there is the cochlear duct. Okay. Now the three semicircular canals, they are at an angle of 90 degrees to each other. Okay. Now in the this one is the utricle. The three semicircular canals open into the utricle by the five openings because of the crus, which is the part of an anatomical structure. Okay, the posterior and the superior semicircular canal fuse together to form this one is the posterior and the superior semicircular canal, this fuse together to form a crus communes, that is the common opening. Okay, and which all together opens into the utricle. Now what is the saccule? So the utricle, it is connected to the saccule through a utriculosaccular duct. This duct, that is the utriculosaccular duct. Okay, this forms the endolymphatic duct, which ends blindly into the endolymphatic sac. This one is the endolymphatic sac, which is formed by the ducts of the saccule